Well, guys, I just got the notification in my phone, and it looks like now I get software update 2020.48.26 is getting ready to get installed in my car, my Tesla Model Y. Now, I've been reading all kinds of things online. I even got notified or even saw something on there that if you had VIN number 41XXX and above, they're the only ones that's going to get it. Well, I got VIN number, let's see here. What VIN number do I have? I got VIN number 34XXX, and I just got the notification. I'm really curious on what this is going to do because everybody's talking about the speaker that's underneath the passenger side front wheel well. Well, I don't have it. I actually, I didn't think I had it. I kept looking for it. I didn't. So tonight I came home and I even took the whole frunk out. I took it completely out. I'll show a couple pictures of it here in a second. And I can see all the way down in there where there's the holes for the speaker to be mounted. There's 3 mount spots. And I even see the wire bundle that's taped up. And it looks like that would be the wire bundle that would click into the speaker. And I don't have the speaker. So I am really curious how much of this software update I'm going to be able to use. Someone said the Boombox feature, either I won't get it or it won't be available. It won't do me any good without that speaker. So meanwhile, I've already put in my phone a request to the service center to say, hey, can I get the speaker? What do I need to do? So if I don't hear back from them come in the next couple of days, I'm going to give them a call. Today is Saturday, so I'll wait till Monday. I'll call the service center and see what they say. So anyways, let me get ready to press install here and get the sucker going. Here we go. All right. I'm going to click install now. What? Because Sentry mode was set on. Okay, that's fine. My bad. Let's see if I can do that. There we go. Turn Sentry mode off. Probably missed it in the camera there, but anyways. And here's a little trick. Guess what? You don't have to wait 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Boom. Unwrapping present 2020 48.26. All right. Update starting. Well, it looks like 2020.48.25 release notes improvements. Release notes now include improvements, browsing, and access. To view current and previous release notes, tap Control, Software, and Release Notes. All right, driving visualization improvements. Says here, the instrument cluster has been refreshed. Autopilot set speed, autopilot availability, and detected speed limits are now displayed next to the driving speed. Additionally, select items have slightly moved, but will continue to look and behave the same. Okay. Scheduled departure can now precondition your battery and cabin even when your car is unplugged, which before we couldn't do that. To account for different utility rate plans, you can now set your time when your off-peak rates end to save on charging cost. To access, tap the schedule from the climate control and charging panel when parked. Okay, we'll try that in a little bit. Supercharger display improvements. Supercharger pins on your touchscreen will now display the number of available stalls at charging sites. Quickly search for nearby amenities by tapping an amenity icon on the supercharger pop-up display. And then we also got vehicle information. The Tesla T, which used to be about up in here, has been removed from the top status bar. Tap Control, Software for the same information. All right. Well, I'm not seeing anything about Boombox. Nothing. Nothing about the Boombox. Let's see here. All right, software. See here, I got a minute ago it said 48.25, but here it says 48.26. That's kind of different. Release notes. Let's go right back to where they were. Well, now we got more notes. Says here release note improvements. Says here the Battle of Polytopia. It looks like we got a new game here. We have another new game called Cat Quest. Alright. We now have Solitaire, which everybody knows what that is. Driving visualization improvements. The driving visualization has been refreshed, so it now offers a larger visualization to allow drivers to view more details of the road surroundings. The next turn will now appear above the visualization of if the navigation turn list is covered by another app. Additionally, select items have slightly moved but will continue to look and behave the same. Some notable differences include the following. Quick access to the backup camera and wipers have moved to the bottom bar. Yes. Alright. Indicator lights have been moved to the side of the touchscreen. Autopilot set speed, autopilot availability, and detected speed limit are now displayed next to the driving speed. Well, there's our cameras. And it's easy to get to. It's right in here. Alright. Scheduled departure improvements, which we already went over that. Supercharger display and vehicle information. Then we're down to the 2020.48, which we've already got that one. So once again, here it says 2020.48.25. However, it says I have 0.26. All right, that doesn't make any sense to me. Let's see here. We're gonna hit that right there. Let's go to Toy Box. All right. Well, I am not seeing anything different. So, because I do not have the speaker inside my vehicle, it does not look like I got the full update. There's Solitaire, Cat Quest. Okay, I got to plug in one of the controllers. That's fine. To play online, create a Tesla game profile. Award-winning turn-based strategy game with low-poly graphics. Lead your civilization to victory by expanding your entire researching new technologies. Okay. And Solitaire. See what it looks like. There we go. Oh, anyways. Okay, exit game. Let's see if we see anything else different. I'm not seeing anything different about anything else. Oh wow, look, all the indications are over here now. Put my seatbelt on. There's reverse. Not bad. I'm liking this. So there's the bar right up there that we're used to. There we got automatic lights are on. This is pretty neat. Different wheels. Huh. Let's see here. Yeah, we got some improvements. I love the way the new layout is, and how I put everything on the left side. I think after driving with it for a little while, I'll get used to it again. I'm just kind of bummed that I didn't get the full update with the Boombox and the sound and the different horns and the music and all that kind of stuff that everybody else can do. I got my car in, is manufactured in August of 2020, and I'm being told that as of September 2020, that's when they started putting the speakers in there. Well, I didn't get one. I guess that's what I get for getting an earlier version of the vehicle. I'm going to do what I can to see if how I can get a speaker installed. I'm going to work on that and see if maybe I can get the full update at another time. But right now, I didn't get everything that everybody else has. So once again, guys, please do me a favor, like this video, hit the subscribe button, and until next time, keep driving, have fun, and enjoy your Tesla. If you don't have a Tesla, just keep watching, and someday you'll get one. All right, thanks guys, take care, bye.